This property is a 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. The list price has recently been reduced to $410,000. Interior features of this property include wood flooring, a formal dining room, an unfinished basement, natural gas heat, and a family room. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a porch, and a deck. Community amenities include a bicycle or walking path. The approximate square footage is 1,944 square feet. This property is represented by
Karol Hess, Long and Foster Real Estate.